What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Me How Builds. You ever make something and then look at it and go, this could work, but maybe it's not as nice as you would like it to be? Well, that's how I felt about my rear diff brace. So in this episode, I'll be chopping out the old one and putting in a new one that's going to be a little bit more presentable. Since I didn't like how the rear diff mounts turned out using that square tube steel and the flux cord welder, I decided to cut it all out. I designed some parts in CAD. I had it water jet. This will be the new rear diff brace. It looks a lot better. It will be welded to a couple of U-channels up top that will bolt up to the frame. It'll be a lot easier to put on and take off, and actually be removable instead of being welded into the body. And that's what it's going to look like when it's finished. All right, so got the old one out, and okay, here we go. Take a look. Old one and new one. Really, which would you rather have? I think we can all agree this one is a lot nicer. So next step is to get these U-channels up on the body, and then this is going to get welded to them. So you need to make sure everything lines up, bolt this up to the diff, and get that all squared away. So tacked it on the inner part. Gonna go make sure it still fits on the car. All right, all fits, so we're gonna weld it all together now. All right. So this is all in here now. Next step is to drill some holes right through here and bolt it to these rear bars. I'd say that looks pretty good compared to the last setup. So there it is. Diff brace is made to be removable. Bolts up to the body. Jack is out. Sweet. Alright guys, so the rear diff brace is in and it looks a lot better than the previous one. In the near future, there will be some more episodes coming out, continuing the build, as well as got some little products I've been working on to help improve the reliability of the N14, N18 engines. So you guys will see that stuff as well. And yeah, if you want to follow the build, please do like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Click here or somewhere here. And yeah, more stuff coming soon.